Aloha! This video will show you how to restore your iMovie library so that you can continue working on your iMovie projects on your new computer. First, you're going to open up your Finder window for your Macintosh hard drive. Okay, and then you want to make sure in the View panel that you've clicked on the 3-panel view. This just makes it easier to copy things over a little later. Now look for your home folder, and it looks like this with a little house icon and your username. And then on the right side, look for the movies folder and just click on that and keep it open. And then you're going to come over here to your backup drive and open up the Finder window for your backup drive. If you have Time Machine enabled, you're going to see this backups.backupdb folder. Click on that to open it. And then in the next column, you'll see a list of your laptops that have been backed up on this hard drive. So you'll look for your previous laptop's name. If you're not sure, it's helpful to click on it and then check the date. So you're going to want to look for the most recent date or the date of your very last backup. And usually it's down at the very bottom of the column. So you click on that folder and then click on the Macintosh HD. And then the next folder you click on is Users. And then in the next column, look for your username and click on that. And then finally, you're going to look for the Movies folder and click on that to open it. And here you have your iMovie library. So all you do is drag your iMovie library from your backup drive over to your iMovie library that's on your new computer hard drive and just drop it to make a copy. And when you see this little window come up, just say replace. And once that transfer is complete, you'll have your iMovie projects ready for you to work on your new computer.